Is that right? Is that right? You're so goofy. You done being goofy? You ready to eat? You ready to eat? He excited, y'all, because you know we're about to go eat. Uh-oh. I'm glad you didn't hit that. That would have been all bad. That would have been all bad, dude. It would have been all bad. We don't want that to happen to you. We don't want that to happen to you. You ready to go eat? Huh? Eat? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. But about to go make some breakfast. Cause I know Elijah is starving. I'm not really that hungry, but I know Elijah's pretty hungry. So about to go make him some breakfast, probably some bacon, eggs, and toast. I should make some pancakes, but I don't know if I feel like making that pancake mix. I know it ain't hard, but it's just a simple fact. I don't feel like really doing anything. I really don't feel like cooking, but gotta feed my son. So I'll record that. Let y'all see how I get down a little bit. I was struggling last time I made some breakfast. Struggling with the eggs a little bit. Hey, today we gonna get that thing. So let me hook it up real quick, and I'll holler at you guys in a bit. Y'all, so here go the finishing touches. We did it was a success today. Let y'all see it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, gotta have the red pepper on mine. No, Elijah. Got the spicy brat with the spicy eggs and rice. Got some brown sugar in there. A little sweetness. So yeah, y'all. That's how we do it. Nose. 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 Got your little wagon. Your little wagon thing going on. We're probably gonna put you in the water outside later on. Okay? Okay. Good. Want some more water? No. Okay. I got you. We are super full. That was a lot of food. He had more than I did. So we probably ate, no, I probably ate a little bit more than he did. But this dude know how to eat, as you can see. I just got tired. I'm pretty sure Elijah, he gonna play for about 15-20 minutes, and he gonna be ready to wrap it up too. So we're about to take a nap pretty soon. So that was our morning. It's probably gonna be in the afternoon when we wake up for lunch. I usually don't eat lunch, but feed him for lunch. So I'll hit y'all then. Alright, peace. Ready to go outside? Ready to go outside? Come on. Oh, you trying to get it for me? Damn. I thought you was gonna get the poo for me. The wind blew it over there. You gonna go get the poo? Go get the poo. Oh, gotta love it. He getting so big. He used to zoom out. This dude used to turn around and crawl down the hill backwards. Man, it used to be hilarious. Bring it up here, buddy. Good job. Good job, buddy. Good job. That's good. That's good. Good job. Got to play with your car. He don't know he about to get in the poo yet. Ooh. Nah, I probably don't want you to do that. This glass on this concrete. Some people knocked my grill over. Some kids knocked my grill over the other day. I don't know what adrenaline they got or satisfaction they got from that, but they knocked my grill over. Messed up my handle. And I had a glass sitting on this part right here, a big old glass piece. And it fell over and it got glass all over this little area right here. So nope. I don't want you to use the car in there. Use it in here. Leave it in there. You're gonna get some glass in your hand. I don't want that. Yeah, you gotta fill the pool up, man. You about to... Yeah, I know what you're saying. I know you're ready to get in, but you gotta fill the pool. Well, can you let me finish what I got to say first? Can you fill the pool up, please? Stay talking about. See, it's getting hot out here. Getting a little glossy. Elijah. Thank you. Elijah. Thank you. Can you leave it in there, please? Instead of keep doing that. Well, I want you, Elijah, can you put it in there, please? You just always gotta say something back, huh? I feel you, but you gotta realize that I'm trying to help you out so you can swim with a lot of water. You feel me? You feel what I'm saying? Elijah. Thank you. I need you to fill that pool up though. I'm looking out for you. And then Elijah. Thank you. We be going back and forth like this all the time. It's been a pretty busy day, man. Trying to get these videos out, and then trying to take care of him at the same time, making sure he eat, making sure he ain't doing nothing doing what he's supposed to do, making sure he's doing what he's supposed to do. So it's been a busy day today. I've been trying to load at night, but last night I was too tired. I've been staying up late for the past 3 nights, and I needed to get some rest, so I edited it all today. Finally got it out the way. So hopefully I can get back on schedule and edit in at nighttime. Get in. Have you some fun, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you need to get wet. It's hot out here. Oh. Fertile. Oh man, I feel good. So right now, about to make me and Elijah some grilled cheese sandwiches and some tots. I already got the tots in the deep fryer while it's warming up. It's not actually in there, but it's on the rack. So when that get ready, it'll be ready to go. Elijah just sitting here chilling. Put your finger out your mouth. Thank you. You ready for your food? Yeah, he ready for these grilled cheeses. He hungry. So let me get this show on the road. So full. Usually you would have been and took that top. You thirsty too, ain't you? I got you. Hold on. So in the midst of me cooking me and Elijah's grilled cheese sandwiches and tots, some kids want to come in the backyard and take Elijah's toys that I had out there. Y'all seen the toys that I had him out there with. 2 kids came over and took his stuff. So me and his mama, me and wifey, went over to the house and had to knock on that Dizzo, because we don't play about our son. We got our toys back. Now I'm gonna make sure I guess that's my fault for leaving the toys out there. That's being irresponsible. But I didn't think nobody would take some. Hold on, buddy. I'm talking. Okay, I'm about to get you some milk and we're about to get out. Hold on, y'all. There you go. But so we went over there, got his toys, and Elijah was already hungry. So when we get back, he fussing and upset because he hungry. Because we took him over there with us, of course. We ain't gonna leave him here by himself, even though it's right across the street. We come back and he just snapping. So I was already frustrated. My adrenaline was pumping when I went over there because I was so pissed. It's probably the same people that knocked over my grill, but I'm not sure. It is what it is. But we made sure that we got our son's toys back. But it was just crazy, man. And they wouldn't like. They was like maybe one was probably like between 6 and 8, and the other one was like 12. I just don't understand why you would take some infant toys, but it's kids. It happens. I just told the kids, please not do that again. Kayla went to the door and talk to the parents. I approached the kids, and I was just like, "Hey, did y'all take something that was in a water pool?" They're gonna say no. And I see the toy right on the side of them. They was terrified. I wasn't gonna do nothing to them. I was mad, but I was fine. I'm not gonna take it out on no kid or nothing. I was like, "Hey, can you please not do that again?" I asked them for their names, and he told me their names. It was a brother and a sister. And I was like, "Hey, can y'all please not do that again?" And they was like, "Yeah, we won't do it again." And I was like, "All right, well, y'all have fun." So the mama come outside, because like I said, the mama came and approached. Caleb went and approached the parent, which was the mom. Mama came outside, told the kids to go in. I was like, you ain't got to tell them to go in. I already talked to them. I asked them could they not do it again, and they said they would. So they cool playing outside. You ain't got to punish them. Just let them know, not to do that again. But the mama still decided to put them in the house because she told them to stay in the yard. So it was crazy, man. It's crazy. I didn't think that would happen, but that's my fault for leaving his toys out there. So I guess I won't do that again. I did it before. Nothing happened, but I guess they didn't come over to see it. But I won't do that again. But I just want to let y'all know what happened, man. That was crazy. Oh, Elijah, this dude. No, get out of there. We just took a shower. Go sit down. Go sit down. Go sit down. He done spilled white. No, come here. Look, trying to run a mama. You can't run a mama. You okay? Sit down. He dipped too, y'all. He was dipping. It's okay, buddy. You better chill out. Hey, he was dipping. It's okay. Aw. Yeah, chill. You good. Go sit down. Go sit down. Daddy got to finish eating. All right, y'all. Well, he done eating and he's tired. I'm about to finish up my food. I'm about to give him a big old glass of milk so he can be out for a while. He already sleep all the way through the night. I want him to sleep some extra hours so I can sleep in a little bit. But okay, oh buddy, there. But give him a big glass of milk so he can be out for some extra hours in the morning. I appreciate you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and please don't forget to hit that notification bell. I appreciate all the love and support, y'all. I really do appreciate it. I'm trying to make this a career, y'all. Actually, I am gonna make this a career. I'm gonna keep pushing, man, until it happens. But I love doing this. I love, the family time we've been spending lately. This forces me to do some family time, because I want to give y'all some good content and just life day-to-day basis on what Rome go through, what the Crocketts go through. So I appreciate y'all, you guys, man. I stay in tune with y'all. I'll holler at y'all in the morning. So, peace.